Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 9.5.0 on Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, first to open any web browser, then go to mysql.com, then click on downloads, then click on this MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server. Then see here the latest version is 9.5. Okay, then select the operating system Ubuntu Linux, then select the OS version. See here we have the 25.04, 24.04 and 22.04. I am on 24.04. Select it. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just to download this deb bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 520 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this MySQL Server 9.5.0. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd downloads ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 9.5.0 tar file. We have to untar tar-accept, then MySQL, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install them. Before installing them, install following dependencies: sudo apt install hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, both are already near versions. I will give this command in the video description. Now install MySQL Server. Sudo dpkg -i, then start.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. See, now we are installing MySQL Server 9.5.0. Now we have to set the password for root account. Hit enter, confirm the same. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Control-8. Now verify the status of the MySQL Server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL service is enabled. It is active and running. Quit. Now we will connect to MySQL Server. MySQL -u, username is root -p. Then provide the password that you have set for this root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server version 9.5.0. We can also verify the same by running select version. See, we got the same. Okay, Control-8. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. So create database. See, we have created database. Now switch to this database and create a table. So switch to database. We have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Show tables. See, empty set because this is a fresh database. So create table. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now verify list of users. Show users. This command won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL Server installation. Now create user. See, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL Server with this new user. Exit MySQL-u. Username is David-p. As I told you, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. So provide it. This password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user by running the command select current underscore user. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL Server 9.5 on Ubuntu operating systems. Sudo controlling sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is inactive at date 4 seconds ago. To quit, you can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL Server MySQL-u root-b. See, we are unable to connect, so start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL services started 3 seconds ago. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL Server. See, we have successfully connected. Exit. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Until now, we have connected MySQL Server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL Server by using MySQL Workbench DB, or you can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench DB on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, so we have successfully installed MySQL Server 9.5.0 LTS. These files are not required anymore, so I am going to remove them to clear the space. rm MySQL just rm star.deb. This command will delete all packages. ls. See, we have one more file. Remove it. rm MySQL, then press the tab, hit enter. ls. See, we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to download, install, and configure MySQL Server 9.5.0 on Ubuntu 24.04. For more MySQL or Ubuntu Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.